Introduction myself is Karlia and NVM 2340008 and I am class MNJ 22. Today, I won't be explain about working capital management. The first, working capital management. Working capital management is an important financial trend. It revolves around two major financial components, namely the current asset and current liabilities. These two components make up the working capital of a business. And then a working capital management deals with the managerial accounting strategies that monitor the current asset and liabilities. This is essential part of business to maintain an efficient operation of the company. An effective working capital management ensures that the business always has a sufficient cash flow to support its short-term operating costs and debt obligations. Spend in working capital, the first collection, next payments, and the next inventory. The one, working capital management. 2. Working capital finance. 3. Business capital loans. 4. Inventory finance. 5. How to find working capital. 6. Commercial real estate loans. 7. Commercial finance. 8. Corporate loan. 9. Commercial lending. 10. Startup business loans. And 11. Capital funding. Next sort of working capital, this is 12 types. The first, public deposit, and the second being credit, and 3 trade credit, and 4 advance from customer, and 5 income from sales, and 6 self-financing, and the 7 issue of shares, 8 issue of debentures, and 9 cash credit, 10 discounting of fools, and 11 paying credit, and 12 commercial papers. Working capital funding is the cost of funds that is used for the purpose of financing a business. Business cannot do without working capital financing. The cost of capital is development on the financing model used for the purpose. It means the cost of equity in a business is financed through equity until or cost of debt. It the best ways the sole means of finance. The next, business capital loans. For new venture and startups, inventory financing could be quite helpful. Readily available inventory stocks can boost your company, as working capital can be developed. Small business who need to buy additional inventory or having cash flow issue could benefit from inventory financing. The next, inventory finance. Inventory financing is a short-term loan that is made to a company so that it can purchase products and then sell them. These products or inventory tend to ask collector for the loan in case the business fails to sell the product and thus unable to repay the loan. For business that have to pay their suppliers in a short time period, inventory financing happens to be a quick usable ideal solution for session picture in cash flow so that business can increase their sales. Form like getting extra stock or inventory during the holiday season for selling. And from a gender point of view, inventory financing is a type of asset loan because the business fails to sell its inventory. The bank will not be able to either. There is Caliper Bradley, but in clearly explain the end result of the 2002X credit crisis. The inventory that has been made or bought by your business to be sold is a worth asset, and the value of the inventory can be used for financing of your business with your growing sold. How to build working capital. In the PowerPoint, working capital management helps the financial experience determines the financial health of a business in the short term. The ratios that are calculated keep the experts awares of how efficacious the entire system is, and it is stable enough to support short-term obligations. A business can have several short-term obligations. It needs cash for retaliation payments, materials, products, goods, and any other unexpected costs. A working capital for a business can be understood easily because it is a quite close to how we personally manage money. The next, commercial finance, with business development companies as a group continuing to trade around 18% of books value, essentially prohibiting their ability to raise equity capital. Commercial finance companies would generally succeed to a halt. Bidders, however, are willing to opportunities consider commercial finance continue to be an attractive option for growing special finance conversion as a source of capital. Expenses that can be turned as a equity capital and leveraged with conventional debt from traditional lender finance providers such as Wells Fargo and Capital One. Bridge loans. Commercial-based loans are a short-term real estate loans which provide short-term financing to the property owner for compliance of some tasks. These tasks can be improved the property, selling the property, or funding a new sign. These loans are also called mortgage-backed loans, and they are known as short-term commercial business loans as well. These are used for purchasing commercial property when there is no available of permanent financing option. As commercial break loans have short-term prepayment period of 6 months and 2-3 years. They do not have prepayment penalty. Ever being refined, the property is refinanced or sold with permanent finance. The next, commercial real estate loans. Commercial real estate loans are utilized to purchase business property to operate and buy commercial properties for generating income. How the real estate is used determines the right kind of commercial mortgage for you. Loan and course loans are the common loans take is an assets are as long as 13 years. Commonly, office complex, hotels, apartment, retail center, along with education development and the contracts of the mental properties are complete through commercial real estate loans. Similar to residential loans, independent lenders and banks are active in making commercial properties loans. Pension funds, insurance companies And private inventory also makes common real estate funds. The implies for leaders for making commercial real estate long are they attract wealthy finance and sometimes are able to make with a handsome revenue amount. Next, corporate loan. In the PowerPoint, business are not solely dependent on making profits and investor. Many successful business organizations places those interested in broadening their organization, their reach and depend on financial loans. A loan that is used by business organization is known as corporate loan. Next, commercial lending. In the PowerPoint, starting a business is incredibly difficult, so is growing a business, expanding a business, moving a business, and giving a business did it. In short, owning and operating your own business is not so simple. Start with a big idea. The next side is startup business loans. In the PowerPoint, the financial assistant is provided in middle after the approval of loan so you can work on your business effectively. It can also provide the essential workers and costs to the express. Every program has their specific requirements that need to be fulfilled to get the financial assistance. This process may require a lot of effort and hard work. The next in foreign is capital funding, but many experts nonetheless still believe in building a minimum viable project, then raising the asset to build it into a complete project. This strategy may work for a quick-growing service startup with a proven business model from the first day. Avoid it is not the case. The startup should focus on the business model as well as the customer purchase process and the value chain. The last business loan broker. Are you planning to get a corporate loan for your business? It is a business loan broker is the right person for you. You need to count. A business loan broker is the one that acts and again between the lender and the party who is seeking financial assistance for their business. However, they are not responsible for providing the loans. They will only provide the services that are required in the process. The business loans that are provided to the people are divided into different categories. Means include micro loans, renovate loan, professional loans, and much more. The business loan broker will provide you with all the requisite information you need to get the specific of loans. Thank you everybody, that's all from me. More or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.